Hello guys, let's do this really interesting problem. What do we need to do? We need to describe the movement of the particle, where particle is given by this parametric equation. So first, we need to try to figure out what is the trajectory of our particle. Trajectory, in other words, is a Cartesian graph. So what do we need to do? We just need to find the Cartesian graph of this parametric equation. For that, I'm going to isolate my sine and cosine, and I'm going to square both sides of those two equations. And then I remember cosine squared t plus sine squared t is equal to 1. So what I'm going to have? I'm going to have x squared over 4 plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 1. And what is that? That is actually going to be an ellipse, which is centered at 0, 4. And I'm going to show you in a second how to sketch that ellipse. First, we need to observe that we can get the original ellipse for the ellipse x squared over 4 plus y squared is equal to 1 by taking my ellipse and shift along y-axis by 4 units up. In other words, if I want to get the blue ellipse, I first need to sketch the green one and shift green one 4 units up. So we should start with sketching the Cartesian graph and trying to figure out how to sketch our green ellipse. For that, I need to know the intersection with x-axis and y-axis. And if I want, let's start with x-axis. I'm going to get the ellipse intersects the x-axis as my y is equal to 0, or in other words, if x squared is equal to 4 or x is equal to plus minus 2. In the same way, you can see that your ellipse is going to intersect y-axis at plus minus 1. So I'm going to indicate 4 points, 2, -2, -1 and +1, and I'm going to sketch this green ellipse. So right now let's sketch the blue one. So I'm going to indicate those 4 points, and I'm just going to move those 4 points 4 units up. So first I'm going to take point 0, 1, and you can see I'm going to move that point to 0, 5. And the same way I can move 3 other points. So as soon as I have 4 points, I can just sketch my blue ellipse, which is going to look something like this. So we know that that blue ellipse is going to be our trajectory, and right now we need to consider our parameter t. So we can see the t changes from 0 to 3 pi over 2. So if I want to sketch the exact movement, to describe the movement of the particle, I need to sketch a table. So let's sketch a table with columns t, x, and y, and I'm going to take my t is equal to 0, pi, and 3 pi over 2. So for that, you can see when t is equal to 0, then I'm going to obtain 0.05, and t is equal to pi, I'm going to obtain 0.03, and when t is equal to 3 pi over 2, I will have a point -2 and 4. And let's indicate those points A, B, and C and sketch them on our blue ellipse. So we have our point A, our point B, and our point C. But again, I don't know the exact direction. So for that, I need to figure out one more point. I'm going to take when t is equal to pi over 2, and then I can see I will have 2 and 4 for x and y correspondingly, and then I see exactly the direction of my particle, where I have the ending point, I have my initial point, and of course the direction from initial point to ending point is going to be my direction. So I got exactly the description of the movement of the particle, which is given by that parametric equation. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.